Alright, so we'll just carry on with the example here. Hopefully you had time to have a go at it yourself. So just simplifying down, so that's x is equal to negative 4 is just 4 plus minus the square root of 16. Negative 4 squared is 16. Minus 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Times by 3 is 12. All over 6. Okay? And that simplifies down to x is equal to 4 plus minus root 28 all over 6. And then just going back to surds, which we've done for the past year, 4 plus minus, break that down to what's the square factor of 28? Root 4 times by what? It's root 7, gives you root 28 all over 6. Now you do that so you can simplify down further. 4 plus minus square root of 4 is 2, root 7 all over 6. Think you're done? Not quite yet. So you still need to cancel that. So there's a common factor here in the top term. So pull 2 out the front. You're left with 2 plus minus root 7 all over 6. And then that cancels. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. X is equal to 2 plus minus root 7 all over 3. So either x is equal to 2 plus root 7 on 3 or x is equal to 2 minus root 7 on 3. Okay, so that's how you can use the quadratic formula. So I just want to show you a couple more examples of simplifying once you get to that last step of simplifying your quadratic formula. So say x is equal to 6 plus minus root 44 on 2. So you need to simplify that further. So first you've got a surd there. You want to see if you can pull out the common factor, the square factor, sorry, there. So that's 6 plus minus. Root 4 is the square factor of that. Square root of 4 is 2. Root 4 times by what gives root 44? Root 11. 4 times 11 is 44. So 6 plus minus 2, root 11 all over 2. Pull out the common factor in the top. So that's 2 outside of 3 plus minus root 11 all over 2. Cancels to 1, cancels to 1. So you're left with x is either equal to 3 plus root 11 or 3 minus root 11. And that answer is in exact form. Okay? One more example, which I want you guys to try yourself, would be x is equal to 3 plus minus root 27 all on 6. So take a moment now to see if you can simplify that yourself. Alright, so first step should be pull out the square factor. Root 9, or 9 goes into 27, which is a square factor. So I'll put in that extra step here just for your enjoyment. All over 6. So x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 9 is 3, root 3. So I just need to put it further down. All over 6. Okay? Pull out the common factor. It's really important that you pull out the common factor before cancelling. You can't just cancel that 3 and this 6 straight away. You need to make sure that you're multiplying terms together. All over 6. So that cancels to 1, and now we've still got a denominator here of 2. So x is equal to 1 plus minus root 3 all over 2. Surds in its simplest form, you can't simplify any further. Okay? So the key takeaway from these videos is this quadratic formula up here. This is critical. This needs to be highlighted in the book. You can use this formula to solve any equation equal to 0 of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. If you can't factorize, use that. Go straight to that, and it'll give you a solution. All right? And just to double check, make sure when you get down to this step here, you look to see whether you can simplify the surd further. Often you can, in order to get the fully correct answer down to here. And you should be fine. Enjoy, guys.